Just a year ago, I was spending over $5,000 every single month just to produce videos for my business. Camera operator, video editor, voice actor for translations, a whole production schedule. And honestly, half the time, the videos still didn't come out the way I wanted them to. And then I found Heygen, specifically their digital twin avatar technology powered by Seedance 2.0, and everything changed. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I replaced my entire video production team with AI. Not just any AI, but a full cinematic quality workflow. And before we dive in, this video is sponsored by Heygen, and I'm going to be completely honest with you about what it can and can't do. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to see the full workflow from start to finish. Let's dive in. Okay, this is the Heygen AI homepage. You will find the link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. You will find all the tools and features here. You can start creating the videos from here. On the left side panel, you will find all the tools. Now, imagine I want to create an explanation video. Now, there are several ways to make a video on Heygen AI. You can generate the script and build a video scene by scene, or generate the video from an idea or prompts, create an avatar-only video, and more. However, I will use the video agent mode to create the video. This is one of the most powerful ways to make videos. It keeps the character consistent, creates great visuals, and now it's powered by Seedance 2.0. However, before making the video, I will create my twin avatar. That means you can now clone yourself and create videos with the exact same expression and voice without any recording. So, I will go to the Avatars tab, and then select the Avatars option. Now, here you can see my previously created avatars. If you want to use a public avatar, you will get a bunch of options here. However, I want to clone this avatar. So, I will click on Create Avatar from here. Now here, you will find two options. Clone a real person and create a virtual character. If you want to create a character that doesn't exist in the world, go with the virtual character option. I am going to clone this character. Now we have to record a video clip for the recording. If you want to go with a pre-recorded video, then click on Upload Footage from here. Here you will find a proper video guide to record the perfect video. Alright, I am uploading the video. Once the video is uploaded, you can see the preview.
You ever notice how some relation...
If the video is perfect, click here. And here it is, the avatar is ready. It's super fast. Now, we have to set the voice. You can record a new voice or use the voice from footage. I will go with the footage voice. Now, we need to verify our avatar to prevent any safety issues. It prevents the use of any avatar or person that doesn't belong to you. Once the consent video is ready, submit it, and our avatar is ready. Now, we are ready to create the video. I will go to the Video Agent tab. This is the Heygen Video Agent interface. First, we have to select the avatar. After that, select the voice. Next, you can select a style from here. You will find a bunch of options here. Just preview them and then select the best one. If you are not sure about the style, you can skip it. The agent will select automatically. Okay, now we have to enter the idea or prompt. For example, I am typing. Create an educational explainer about how blockchain works for complete beginners. After entering the prompt, you can add the style, avatar, and music in the prompt box. After that, you can attach a document, knowledge base, or assets to the project. I will create from scratch. Now, come to the settings. Here, set the video duration and the aspect ratio. Now the most important part, you can enable Seedance 2.0 from here. Once you turn this on, Seedance 2.0 will analyze them and create videos for you. Next, you will find two options here, Chat and Generate. The chat mode gives you more control, while the generate mode creates the video automatically. Once everything is set, hit the send button. Now, Heygen Video Agent will take charge and start creating the video. And here it is. You can see that the agent is planning the video. Once the plan is ready, review the plan thoroughly. I think this plan is great. However, if you find any flaw, you can customize it. Once the final plan is ready, just hit the generate button. Now it will take some time to create the video. And here it is. The video is ready.
Hi, ever wondered what blockchain actually is? It's simpler than you think. Imagine a shared digital notebook that everyone can see, but no one can erase. Think of a block as just a single page in that notebook, and it's completely filled with data. When a transaction happens, it's written onto a new page. Each new page is linked to the previous one, forming a secure chain. Because they're linked, changing one block would mean changing them all. That's what makes it secure. And since
This is really amazing. So now you can create this kind of amazing, ready-to-publish video in a few minutes. Now, if you think something is wrong in the video, you can actually edit the video. For example, I want to regenerate this scene. I am clicking on the edit button and then entering the prompt. Now the agent will analyze the scene and regenerate it like this. This is our newly generated scene. In this method, you can edit any scene or ask the agent to edit any scene. Once the video is ready, you can download the video from here. Now imagine you want to go global but don't know so much about languages. That's where the AI video translator comes in. Once you are on this page, drop the video here. Once the video is uploaded, you can trim it if you want. Now you will find two translation options, quick and advanced. If you want a perfect lip sync and duration sync, then select the advanced mode. Now set the target language. Here, you will find over 100 languages and accents. Select which one you want to use. Next, you will find the brand glossary. This is basically a pronunciation library. I won't use any. Now, in the advanced option, you will see some features. You can turn on dynamic duration, lip sync, background sound remover, and more. Once all the settings are set, hit the translate button from here. Now, it will take some time to translate the video. And here it is. The video is ready.
¿Alguna vez te has preguntado qué es realmente el blockchain? Es más sencillo de lo que pensás. Imagina un cuaderno digital compartido que todos pueden ver, pero nadie puede borrar.
Look at the lip sync. It's not just audio. The mouth movements are aligned precisely with the translated speech. And listen to the voice. It still sounds like me. Not a robotic text-to-speech voice. My voice. In 3 different languages. What used to cost me $1,500 and 2 weeks of coordination, I just did in about 3 minutes. So let me give you the real numbers because I think this is what you actually care about. Before Heygen, $5,000 a month, 40 plus hours of production time per month, 4 videos produced. After Heygen, a fraction of that cost, about 2 hours of my time per month, and I'm now producing over 15 videos in multiple languages. There are so many other features available on Heygen, you can try it yourself. So if you're a creator, an educator, a business owner, a solopreneur, anyone who needs to produce video content consistently and professionally, Heygen is genuinely the most powerful tool I've used. The link to try Heygen is in the description below. Go create your free account. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below. I'd love to know. What's your biggest video production challenge right now? Don't forget to like this video if it was useful, subscribe if you want more AI workflow content, and I'll see you in the next one.